I'm Kate.
And I'm Lyra.
And we are very excited to show you how to make a gorgeous gift with Aquabeads. What are we going to make today, Lyra?
We're going to make a magnet set like this. One for me and one as a present for my bestie.
Oh, that's so brilliant. So not only do you get to make something with me, but you're also getting ahead and making a present for your friend.
Yes, she's going to absolutely love it. And when she sees it, she's always going to think of me, and I'll think of her when I look at mine.
Oh, that's so cute. Okay, so what are we going to need for today's project? Let's have a look. We will need the Star Beads Studio set, which is this one here. Some glue, like this. And then a couple of magnets. And then the template for this project that you can download. And then we've also got, of course, the mats and the spray bottles and the bead pens too. If you haven't got any of those bits already, you can buy them from aquabeads.co.uk. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Let's get making. So this project is done on 2 mats, one for the B and half of the F, and the other one for the other F, another half. So do you want to do one and I'll do the other?
Yep.
Cool, okay. If you take that template and then we'll pop them underneath our bead trays like this. Then we can start making. Are you ready?
Yes.
So all of the coloured ones around the outside we're using are the star beads, which are these ones here in star shapes, and that makes the finished product look kind of almost fluffy. It's really cute. So we're going to use those all around the outside, and then the plain solid beads for the lettering to make it really stand out, aren't we?
Yes.
Okay, so let's get going. Right, so we've finished putting the beads onto the tray, following the template. So we've got our designs all made. What do we do next, Lyra?
Next, we need to spray it with water. Spray it with quite a lot of water.
And that will make all the beads stick together, won't it?
Yes.
So should we do that now? Whoops.
Yeah.
So we've got our little spray bottles. Oh, be careful not to get them near those. Spray plenty of water on. And you can kind of see them all merging together a bit, can't you?
Yeah, you can. With the solid beads, you can really see it merging
Yeah,
together.
you can. Yeah. Okay, so we've done that, and then we need to just count for 5 seconds.
Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then tip it upside down just to get all of the water.
Not completely upside down, just a bit
No,
more
yeah.
vertical to let the water drip. And then we're going to leave them
For 1 hour.
Yeah, propped up. I think it's best to leave them to make sure that it's not sitting in a pool of water. So we're going to put those to the side and let them dry for 1 hour. Right, so after an hour, you can carefully peel your designs up off the tray. So just be really careful when you do that. If you think that one of the beads is going to fall off, just leave it for a little bit longer. And then if you want to make sure that your design is really super strong, you can turn your design over, pop it back on the tray and repeat that spraying with water process on the back of the design, and that will make it extra strong. So then, once you've got your designs, you can peel them off, and we just need to add the magnets to the back, don't we? So here we go, there's one for you, one for me. Now we've actually got sticky back magnets, so we just need to peel the back off and stick it onto the back of our design. But if we find that that doesn't stick really that well, or we don't have sticky back magnets, you can just use some glue. There we go. Do you think that's going to stick well enough? I think it'll be okay.
Yeah, I think it'll be fine.
Awesome. There we go, all done.
Beautiful.
That was easy, wasn't it? What do you like about making Aquabeads projects, Lyra?
I like how it's just so easy, and like you can be so creative and like make whatever you want and then just spray it with water and it's done.
So no need for irons or anything like that. It's super easy, and you can be really creative, can't you? Make your own designs up as well if you want to, or just follow the templates. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you've enjoyed making along some Aquabeads projects with us, and maybe you could make this and give it as a gift to your bestie as well. We'd love to see your makes, so remember to ask somebody to put them online and share them if they're happy to do that. And if you need any of the Aquabeads supplies, you can get them or download the templates from aquabeads.co.uk. Thank you, bye-bye.
Bye.